Udah dah. Okay. Bentar. No. Okay, so good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you guys are in good health and welcome to my presentation. So today I will present a summary of an academic article with title The Effect of Ice Cream Making Process on the Quality of Ice Cream Based on Bananas. So the ice cream use banana as the base. And this journal focused on the effect of differences in the process of making banana ice cream. Where they conducted research using traditional and semi-modern methods. Now we are going to the outline. Now, so first we'll talking about the introduction, like summary of the article, and the goals, and the previous research. And after that, we'll talk about the research methodology, like what kind of method they use for the research when they did the research. And after that, we will talk about the finding and discussion. Last but not least is conclusion and recommendation. Uh, this is the introduction. So ice cream is a type of frozen food. Ice cream can be said to be one of the most popular that all the generation love so much. So ice cream is also very good for health because it's rich in nutrition and it's food with high nutrition. Developing ice cream products by utilizing local products is one of the efforts to increase profits so that costs can be reduced. The study used two ice cream making process and test the differences. So the research aimed to understand influence of production process of ice cream toward the overrun, the maltability, the organoleptic, and chemical characteristic. So what is the goal of this research? The goal is to determine the effect of differences in ice cream processing process for traditional versus semi-modern. And until now, analytical research on the two traditional and semi-modern methods of making ice cream has never been carried out. So this is the first research. And this is the methodology. First, the research conducted was experimental research. So they make the ice cream. And then the place of research is Agricultural Technology Laboratory and University of Bengkulu. The research that will be used in this study is a factorial completely randomized design, CRD, with two different factors. Then variable, and then the research stage, preparation of tool and materials. And materials, they use two types of bananas. There is pisang jantan and pisang walu. I'm sorry if I use Indonesian language because it's kind of weird if I use English. And then number 7 is analytical data. They use ANOVA. So ANOVA is a method used to test the equality of three or more population means by analyzing variance. And this is the result. Based on the result of the ANOVA test, it shows that the combination factor of the use of fruit type and process type does not provide a significant difference at 5% level on the overall value of the ice cream produced. And this is the melting power. The melting speed of ice cream is closely related to the texture of the ice cream. Coarse texture ice cream has low viscosity and melting resistance, so it melts easily. The melting speed graph can be seen in this figure. Oh wait, this is the melting speed graph. And now we move to conclusion. Oh wait, there is more. So for the organoleptic result, based on the result of the organoleptic test assessment, ice cream made with pisang walu using semi-modern processing is the most preferred treatment. And for the result of chemical quality, They show that ice cream with semi-modern pumpkin process has a fat content of 9.98% and a protein content of 4.47%. And now, finally, we are going to the conclusion. The manufacturing process and type of fruit do not have a significant effect on oven and melting speed. So the result of the highest ice cream oven is the treatment of bananas with a semi-modern process. So between the traditional and semi-modern, we better use the semi-modern process. So and now is recommendation. Recommendation number one, if you want to make ice cream, the processing can be done using household appliances. Number two, further research is needed on the economic value of ice cream products. And last, further research is needed on the shelf life of the product to determine the durability of ice cream products. Now I will open the question and answer session for everyone who want to ask or want to discuss something, please do. Okay.
So I want to ask the why ice cream is better made with a thicker volume.
Okay, I will answer. Me myself have experience. So according to my own experience, I have made ice cream with the traditional way using milk, patient flack, and which has a liquid texture and therefore melts quickly. Therefore, it's better to make ice cream with a thick texture. That's the answer. Is it enough? Okay, it's now that's all my presentation. Hope you guys can understand the article that I show. And that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mantap, Guzi. Let's go. Your cara
Lydia.
voting.
Ya, Lydia,